Hey guys, did you get your word?
Yeah, I can't say UGLY.
Oh, I can't say CUD.
I can't say OMG.
And I can't say SD.
Do y'all wanna? Face reveal?
Yas.
Am down.
Siree.
Okay, so this is me.
So pretty.
Fine.
Dazzling.
My turn. This is me.
Queenade.
Pretty.
Absolutely stunning.
Hear me.
Handsome.
Cool.
Mid.
Now this is me.
Oh my god, is that Sidewin from Genshin Impact?
You are so cute.
Surprisingly not ugly.
Is you say daddy's home.